Yeah, hi everyone. I will start today on e-commerce project. So let me share my screen. So I created one folder. Inside the folder, I created some images. Inside the images, about images, the banner, logo, and features and pay images. If anything, any peoples I added here. Some of the peoples and products. What different type of products I added. Okay, so here I have buttons I added, and I randomly I given as an index.html skeleton part. So we'll try to implement our header section. And first of all, in e-commerce project we can see the header sections and what some main sections. So future buying boxes and any product section will implement, and how the banners will be there, and all these things we will try to implement with the help of HTML and CSS. Okay, so we'll go with a header now. So I am implementing header section now. Header header section. So just I'm commenting this one. Okay. So now, so we'll develop with the div. Mm, we'll give an header for this, and inside the div header we have a logo. So we can give one class like header logo. Inside that I am creating one anchor tag. uh, Inside the anchor tag I am creating one image tag. Okay, so now see, the anchor tag having image tag. Inside the image tag I will add all the images. Okay, so our logo image. So I'm creating here index. So I am already added the images folder here. Okay, so images, directly we have the logo we have, right? Logo.png. We'll type images logo.png. Okay, if you hover on it, directly click on it, you can see the logo. Okay, so if it is path is not correct, it will not show here. Okay, so this is an logo. So now we'll go with header list now. So inside the header entire div, we'll go with now header list and now bar, all these things. So first div dot header list. Inside the header list I'm giving one more div, that is an header uh, header list now. Okay, so inside the list I'm giving header list now, right? So just I'm giving random classes. Okay, so I will create one ul li elements. So li into, I need at least 5 LIs. Inside the 5 LIs I have an anchor tag. Just keep enter, it will automatically, our structure will be created here. See, so for the first class I'm giving here, this is an home. Okay, so yeah, Shiva muted. Home, sorry. We'll give the first li home. Okay, and second li shop. Something will give shop, and this is an blog, and this is an about, and this is an contact us. I'm giving some random headers, some header names. Okay, random header name. You can customize whatever is needed. You can customize. I'm giving hashtags here. Okay, so time being will give hashtags only here. So this is entire our now. Okay, so this is we are making, I'm trying to add here, this is a now. So we can use the now inside that. And after that I will add one more div, that is header list with icon. I will add some header as a having a icon, header list, header list icon. Okay, header list icon. So inside the header list icon, so I given one class. So I give one class like dot fa. So I already added font awesome your font awesome script above in the header, so we can use the font awesomes now. Okay, so I am using fa bag, fa bag shopping. Okay, that font awesome icon maybe it will display. So let's see our header part. Okay, so this entire content is comes under header. It's common comes under header, right? So this entire part. So we'll close the this div. So we'll create header, and we can push that all the div changes and paste here. Okay. So now I'm just copying this path, copy the path, and go to the browser. So already we have a path, right? Yeah, so we are seen, right? So some, this is an logo, this is an anchor text like home, shop, blog, all these things is there. So with the help of css, we can manage our header first. Okay, I will try to implement our css. I already given our link, like with the link we can write here, we can write the css now. Okay, so try to implement with global styles first of all. We'll write the global styles. So this is an universal selector or global selector. Okay, so I'm giving some margin padding and all these things. Margin 0, padding 0. Okay, and box sizing, border box will give box sizing property, box sizing border box. And so font family overall we can give some font family we can give. So anything you can give, no problem. So as per requirement we can give actually. So now I will create one header styles. Okay, header styles, header styles. So header style, I'm adding header. So we are I'm going step by step now. See, the id is having header, then I'm focusing this header first, then we'll go header logo and all these things. Okay, so this is an header. So display flex I will add entire our header content, and align item will become center. Mm, and space between, justify content space between I will add it, justify content space between. Okay, so and we'll add some background color. Okay, background color as some random color I will give e3, e e6, ef7. Okay, some better color, that is so padding I will give, padding 20 to 30, 20 pixel and some 80 pixel. This is padding is top and bottom, 80 pixel is right and left. Okay, so next we'll give some box shadow to our header. mm, Box shadow. So back shadow properties 0 and 5 pixel, 15 pixel. Okay. RGBA, RGBA. So we'll give red green color. This kind of color is will 0 comma 0 comma. We'll give some space. So 0 comma red green and blue are giving us 0.06. I will give 0.06. So somewhat light gray type of color this box shadow will need to append. Okay. Some Z index I will give. Z index is like 999 will give. Okay. And the position property I will give here. Our header should be and fixed. Okay. So entire our application header should be and fixed. So some top, no need to add any top, and left also no need to add. So entire content we need to fix it. Left, right also no need to change anything. Zero only. Okay. So once the header, this is an header part, right? So this is an entire header part. So if you see our UI, somewhat changes will be done. Okay. This is our header, and we need to manage header list now. Okay. This is our header, so we'll manage header list. Next, what is our class? So this is our class, right? So just copy it and paste it. Okay. So for this one also I will add display flex. So flex means it the entire content comes on one row. Okay. So align item center I will add, so it will become center. And justify content center. Okay. It will add the center. Okay. So next we'll go header. Inside the header list, next which class we have? Header list now. Okay, I'm focusing this one. So dot header list now. Inside that, what we have? LIs UL. So I will focus first UL. So entire our UL elements will become flexible. Then I will add this class, and I will copy this class. And inside the UL, we have an LIs, right? UL LIs. So just close the bracket. So remove this and add here. So list style, the dots are coming, right? List style type is none, you can add. Okay. So none. And somewhat padding between the our list items. 0 comma 0 pixel, you can write 0 px, 20 px you can add. Okay. So look and feel something better. um so if you want position, you can be add the some relative position. Okay. So inside the UL, we have an anchor tag also, right? So we will try to write for anchor tag also. So you just copy this one, just copy it. I'm removing this dot. Okay. So here I'm adding inside the UL li anchor tag we have. Okay. So for anchor tag, we'll write the some CSS. So list style type, we can make it as none. And some font size will add. Font size, font weight, or will add font size. Font size, how much can I add? You can add 15 or 16 will add. So somewhat 16. And font weight I will add at least 600 pixel. 600. Okay. So I'm adding color also. We can add random color. 1A, 1A, yeah. We can add it. Okay. Some transition property also will give. Transition we have some like 3.3, 0.3 seconds of easy in or easy we can give. Okay. So let's see how much it's completed. our UI. Yeah, see. So this is somewhat better it's showing. Why it is coming? This logo and this list is, we are added a space between, right? These two entire our content, space between. So just that's why I will when we are hover on, so I will inspect this one. So this is on block color showing, right? So if you want, we can change other color also. So later we'll do that. Okay. And this why it's not taking. So I am thinking, so I will remove this. It's taking, but yeah, so no problem. Control Z. Okay. I will try to add one more class. We have next, what kind of class we have? So when we are hovering an anchor tag, and we have, for example, I'm adding this home as a default home. For home, I will add some active class. Okay. So you can add the entire content instead of here. So in the li, the default home option will be selected. Okay. So I will add home is an active. So home will be an active. Now see, so you cannot recognize actually home is an active. So this is an active. So when we are hovering on anchor tag and all these things, we'll write first. So header list, now inside the header list, now we have ul, right? Ul for anchor tag, we need to write hover property. Okay. I'm writing hover for this. And we can write again one more class for this one only. So header list, now if it is anchor tag is an active. Okay. Hover and active, we will change somewhat color. Okay. I will remove this hover. Active, what is this hover and active classes means? This is pseudo classes. Okay. We have discussed pseudo classes, pseudo elements, all these things, right? So li dot. Okay. So li is having active class, right? Now we'll change some color. And whenever we are hover on the anchor tags, we'll change some color as some different color. Will give 3 4 3 4 random color. You give it and change it. Okay. Okay, I'm giving this color. Hmm? So as when we are hovering on, if the li is an active, then we'll show this color. Okay. So go and refresh that. So if I hover, see, if I hover, the colors are changing. Okay. So when we are hover, the text decoration also will remove. Okay. When we are hover or active, so some text decoration none will add. Okay. When we are hovering or active position, then it will become so see the our text, our anchor tag, the underline will be going. Okay. See, see, see. Yeah, that is when we are hovering on this uh, anchor tag and everything. And we have, so will, if it is an, this is an entire header, right? So we'll try to add other section also. Okay. Like we have some I discussed, right? So once this is an entire our header, for example. So once the header is complete, we'll try to add one more section, like main. Inside the main section we have so many sections, we'll discuss that. So I'm trying to add first html, then we'll go css step by step. Okay. So this is I will create main sections, like where, so I'm using this main is one is this is a schematic element, like a schematic tag. Okay, schematic elements means the developer and browser can understand what is tag it is. Okay, so non-schematic tag means, so some we are represent with a div or para, that kind of tags are called as non-schematic tags. Okay, schematic tags we have now and footer, article, section. These are comes under schematic tags basically. Okay, so I will write one section for the we can write a hero. Okay, so for this hero, we instead of adding id, we can add class also. That is better actually, better practice. No need to don't use ids most preferably. So here I will give hero. So one some hero class section I'm giving here. So some text I will write. Okay, h4 is having trade. So trade in offer. Okay, I will give some messages here. Trade in offer, and h2 I will give super value details. Okay, super value value deals. Okay, and I will give on all products. Okay, so next I will give so p tag. So save your coupon, save more coupons, and I'm giving and symbol up to 70 percentage, up to 70 percentage off. Okay, so I will give one more some button here. So some button I will show shop now, shop now. Okay, so this is one section. So one more section I will create, so inside the main tag only. So that is section with future 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 section I will give here. And so I'll give one more here. Instead of giving this one, I will give id for this one, and I will add one more class. So section, I will give some section p1 or something. You can give anything, but I'm giving some p1 section. This is okay. So I will create some random divs, like div dot f box. I'm giving. So here in image tag, in images, and we have an futures images, right? So try to add it here. Okay, so f1 alt, in alt you can add free shopping. Okay, free shopping actually image this one. Okay, so just copy this and write one what kind of image this one, just in write in h6 tag free free. You can write free shipping image, free shipping product actually. Okay, just copy this box, paste, copy this box, paste. So almost 6 7 is there. Okay, so I'm adding here 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 images, and we need to change this alt and here heading h6. So this is for online order. You can give here, copy this one, just copy it, paste it, and remove this one. So save money, save money. I will also here write save money. Save money. And so promotion. Next one is we can add for promotion these images. So promotions. So I will add promotions and happy sale kind of images is this one. Okay, happy sale. Just copy this and just paste here. Okay, and one more is there, right? This is 24/7 support. You can give 24/7 support. Okay, copy this one and paste here. So we'll see in the UI how it is displaying. Okay, so I am creating here one section as an hero, one section is the future images tag section. Okay, I'm going here and refreshing that. So now see, our images are displaying. Okay, and even though our text also displaying, we'll try to, this is entire shop now button also displaying. Okay, we'll manage this one. Okay, save your coupons and up to 70% is there, right? This message also will try to, so remaining text also there, but see it is going inside. Will with the help of CSS will manage. Okay, okay, till now we'll do that. Okay, so if you want, I will try to add, but we'll focus now first these features and this hero section. So whatever this text is there, it's going inside the our header part. Some text is going, we'll manage that CSS with the help of CSS. So we'll go into the CSS part. Where is that? Yeah, so now we'll go some header part CSS. Mostly we are completed, but if anything is there, we'll try to go in there. So I'm focusing first hero section. So for the hero, some background image will add. Okay, some background image URL. So inside the URL, I will add, we have an images inside. We have an one image like hero 4. We'll add this image hero 4 png. Okay, this entire section it will take care. Okay, that background, some width 100% will add. Okay, and height also will add. Height is an 100 vh. Sorry. Mm, so background size, that is I will add entire content we need to cover. Okay, and our content, if it is any content is there, it will be flexible. So flexible, and flex direction also will add. Flex direction is column, and justify content center will add. Okay, justify content, our content will be center, and align item center, entire content will become center. And so if you want, instead of writing this align item, we can write then flex start. So our entire the tech content will start from the starting, right? That we can add that. And some will give some padding. Our content should need to padding, right? 8 0. Some will give some 30 50 we will give, or 80 pixel will give. Okay, see now how the look and feel of hero section. Now see, this is an hero image. Okay, this is an hero image, this is our text. Hmm? So we'll try to add all the CSS now, these buttons and these trading details and all these things we'll try to add. Okay, so now I'm focusing now inside the hero. So what are the tags we have? Basically h4, h2 h1 p tag button, all these things is there. I'm trying to focusing one by one. Okay, so now I will write hero. So if you want nested css also, we can write instead of having dot hero, it will take care of not, we'll see now. So instead of that, I will add here. So it's not h4. I will add here. So for the h4, I will add some padding. We need to add padding bottom, some 12 or 10 pixel. Yeah, we will use for 15 pixel. So font size I'm using, font size using some are 40 pixel. So we'll see this is applying or not, we'll see. Yeah, so inspect it, now check it. Yeah, it's inside the hero section, it is coming as an h4. Now it's applying, see. So if you see, we can write it like this also. Hmm? So inside the hero section we have an h2 tag also. Okay, if you want to write same css means we can write, but we can h2 some, give some space here. I will give some for the h2, I will give the font size indentation we can make it. So font size I will give some 70 pixel. Okay, inside that h1 tag also there. Will add h1 tag, some color I will add. Okay, so what kind of color I add? 088 178. Okay, some blue, thick blue or something color. And font size I will add 70 pixel. Okay, 70 pixel. This is an comes under hero section only. I will add for the button also. Hero is having some button, right? So button background color is transparent. Some background color is I will add transparent, and background image also will add. So for the button background image, I'm adding one image URL images. Inside the images we have button.png we have. Okay, if you see button.png, in hover it will go some background kind of different kind of style is there. This is an thickness or everything, that color it will apply. Okay, so now background repeat will add background repeat, no need to repeat. And we'll need to add one more is background size property also. Background size cover will add entire button, it will take care that image. Okay, so some I will add some width, button width 260 pixel will add. And some add height also, 60 or 40 pixel, 60 pixel will give. Border, no need to add any border for that button. And so we have, when we are hovering on that button, we need to add some cursor pointer, and we can give some font size for that button. So maybe this session is will complete. I will try to add one more session, 20 pixel. And I will add this button is having some color, and we'll add the font weight also for this button. Font weight is I'm adding 700. And some I will add some color also. So we are using right above this, will I will copy this one. So if it is needed, yeah, that is well and good. And some the text inside the text will we add some paddings. Okay, some 14 pixel, and somewhat 65 14. Instead of writing this much, we can write again I'm writing 65 pixel. So we can write shortcut also, right? Like we can write this is now, this is top. Okay, so this is bottom. So similar pixels, right? So we can add, so 14 pixel and 65 pixel. We can write like this also. Just comment this one. So now this is our button. So till now, so we have an hero section maybe complete. We'll check now. Okay, if you want, give here space. So I'm going here. Yeah, now see, now see the shop now is it button. That background image how it is coming. Okay, the look and feel is now feels very nice. Like when we are hover and all these things, in the hover also will add some cursor pointer. Yeah, sometimes it is arrow, right? Now it is coming as a cursor pointer. So this is our some hero section. So we'll try to manage remaining section also, this future section. Okay, we'll try to add future section also. So I'm adding now, going, so I will remove the spaces. So now hero section is completed, and now we'll have one more is in future section. Okay, copy. So so we can manage with the future section. With class also we can manage if you want, or otherwise we can, most preferably classes need to use. Okay, but I'm using IDs now. Okay, some I will add all the properties, display flex and align item center, and the content, enter content need to be spaces needed, justify content, space between, space around I will add. Okay, so now see how look and feel. So now see the display flex means it will comes in a one row, and some spaces will create it. Okay, we'll add remaining CSS also. So inside that we have f box class is there. Just copy this one and go here. So in the future section, you can add and symbol and just paste here. This is an CSS, right? So now the future box you write some width. So how much width is needed? For example, I will write 180 pixel, and text align I'm adding center. That text will be in center to the image, and padding 25 pixel and 15 pixel I'm adding. And now box shadow property will become, so 20 pixel 32 pixel we can add, and some color we need to add, right, for the back shadow. So I will add this one. Then I will add 0.6 or 0.3 I will add. Okay, so somewhat different color it will show when we are box. Okay, so when we are again we can hover on it, just copy this class, and when we are hovering on box, when we are hovering on box, some will add some box shadow property. Box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 50 pixel, and RGBA will add. RGBA, this is an somewhat 0.1 I will add. 0.1. Some hover effect we need to show. Okay, and we have an those all these things, this class, these two classes are applying or not, we'll check. Okay, now see, so if you inspect here, in future that box class is applying. Okay, width also taking, and align items. I see the text is coming center, right? So this is then padding also coming. Okay, box shadow, some box shadow property also coming. Okay, it is applying actually. So we'll try to implement our remaining what we have in classes. Image class we have, in h6 class we have. We'll try to add for those. Oh, I'll go to the CSS. So just and symbol you can add, and dot f box. Inside the f box, what are the things we have? H6 we have, right? H6, and we can for the h6 some will add. So some padding, border radius, and color, background color will add for this. Okay, so I will add for this some properties: display, inline block, and so padding will be padding. I will add 9 pixel, 6 pixel, 6 to, if it is 8 pixel, 6 pixel, and 8 pixel. Okay, you can make 9 pixel also, that is better. 8 9 you can give this, remove these two shorthand property. Okay, and we can use line height also. For that h6 line height I can give 1, and I will add font size, 14 pixel, 14 pixel, and border radius I will add 4 pixel. Color I will add 088178 I will add, and background color I will add background color as which FDDE4. Okay, some one, the only we have on 5, yeah. So now see, so h6 I'm focusing only h6 now. So we have an image also, right? So we'll try to add for the image inside the box. Just copy this one, this class. So, so I will remove this h6 img, and I will add so image. We'll add width, we'll add first width become flexible like 100%, and we'll add some margin bottom. Okay, margin bottom, margin bottom at least I will give 10 pixel. So now see, so I will try to give here in the future. So now see, it is coming button shape, and it is coming inside that, and everything is coming properly only. So we'll try to implement one by one. Okay, so now we change the sections also, like we have an product section also will develop, but we'll add some of the classes now, like if it is an even or odd, we'll